we rely on the Google Work suite of services in our day-to-day operations, and we needed a tool to streamline how the operations team can better manage requests that were being received from the sales team. We needed a system that can provide an effective and efficient way of making sure that all requests are received, processed, fulfilled, and analyzed. We needed to develop a resource that can help minimize, if not totally eliminate, requests being sent via email. And that's where AppSheet came to the rescue, because it allowed us to quickly prototype and deploy an application that solved our control and monitoring requirements without having to involve maybe the enterprise level app development team that may have bigger projects on their plate. I guess the most useful one so far is our refund processing system because it eliminated a lot of email exchanges across different teams that play a role in every refund request that we receive from our merchants. We even added an auto email notification to our merchants as their request goes through each of the stages of the refund process, proactively giving them visibility as to the status of their request, eliminating the need for them to follow up with their sales officers. We now have a better visibility on the number of requests being received per day, how many are pending, how many are fulfilled, and how long it took for the requests to be completed. We now have zero requests being left unnoticed as compared to before, where requests were being buried deep in the email inboxes of our operations team. And most importantly, we have seen at least 40% decrease in the SLAs for the fulfillment of those requests.